Happy New Year mula dito sa Alexandria, Egypt. Huwag kayong magtataka kung wala kayong makikitang masyadong handa dahil hindi dito ang uso ang handa katulad ng ginagawa natin sa Pilipinas na sobra-sobra yung pagkain na nilalagay natin sa lamesa, gatherings, at malakas na mga paputok. Dito, minsan, lumilipas lang yung bagong taon, pumapasok yung bagong taon na walang handa. Yung iba, tulog lang, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas. May mga places dito na merong fireworks show, pero sa mga normal na lugar katulad ng ganito, walang masyadong nagpapaputok. At dahil mix ang family namin, mix na ang aming culture, nagluto ako para sa ating selebrasyon ng New Year, ng hawashi at saka cinnamon roll. Bumili rin kami ng cake at mga paputok. Actually, every year naman talaga, may cake kami at mga paputok. Ayan. Pero ngayong taon lang talaga ako nagluto. Ito kasing cinnamon roll, paborito nila ng mga bata. At itong hawashi, paborito ng daddy. Ayan. Ayan ang pagsasalu-saluhan namin. Mararamdaman mo rin ang Pasko at bagong taon sa paligid ng Egypt kasi maraming decorations. Dahil marami rin namang Christians dito na nagse-celebrate ng Pasko. Hindi nga lang ganun kabongga. Let's eat first. Ito naman si Daddy, walang tigil sa pagtatrabaho dahil walang bakasyon. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, ang haba ng bakasyon. Dito, 2 araw lang ng Pasko, 24 and 25. At ngayong bagong taon, 31 at 1.
Thank you for the hawashi, Mom. It's nice.
Welcome, welcome. Happy New Year to everyone.
Look, we made the party.
Hello, eat. Hawashi. What do you call this? Tornado. What do you call this?
Fireworks.
Yeah. We will show you how it works, okay?
I will hold it.
No, let Daddy hold this.
In one bag, we put all our stuff in it.
Yeah.
I will hold it.
You need bigger bag?
We need bag, like cloth bag, so you can put this stuff in it. So you can
Okay.
hold
Let me get. So, pupunta kami sa taas ng building.
We have enough light.
They have their flashlights. I don't know.
I think this one.
Yeah, and we have lights on our phone. Punta kami sa taas ng building. Doon kami magpapaputok. Are you excited, Talia?
Very excited.
Okay, let's go. Wait lang natin sila. So, let's go down. Kasi nandun yung lift sa baba. Huwag kayong magtaka kung bakit pa kami bababa kasi nasa first floor kami. Wala kaming elevator. So, gagamit tayo ng lift. Hello!
Assalamualaikum.
Going
طيب بالصحة والسلامة يا رب. انتوا معانا كده وبخير يا رب. حبيبي 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 حبيبي. كل سنة وانت طيبة. ايه الشعر الحلو ده؟ وايه ده الجمال ده بقى؟ ايوه.
Hold your dad. Talia, wait. Yalla. Go inside. Careful. Ay.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل.
Okay, we are
It's
on.
scary.
Which floor is this? So we have to walk up? Yeah. This is the way, guys. Ganito ang Come, I will hold you. Ganito. Okay, but Dad is doing something. Yes. Dito guys, wala na ditong nakatira kaya makikita ninyo madilim. Yeah, use your flashlight, Talia. Oh my God.
Here, can you see? Can you see?
Why is so garbage like this?
Yes.
Yalla.
Mga nakastuck. Wait, where's the light?
All right, here, come.
Okay, nakikita niya. Kasi ginagawa ang taas. Talia, Tamara, show me light. Show me light.
Hold something for me, hold.
Okay, give me.
I have to arrange, hold.
Look around. Look around.
Mama, you have to hold this. Somebody has to hold this for me.
Okay.
This will not throw.
Mommy, is this ours?
So they are. What time now?
I want to go to the another side.
So papakita ko lang sa inyo.
I want to go inside another side, okay?
Okay. Wait. So nandito
Hello,
tayo.
listen, I will do this now.
Taas. What time
Come
now?
here, hold this for me.
Give me.
It will be strong, huh?
Okay.
I want
Okay.
to try.
We will. Wait. Show you.
Well, you will hold with me.
What time now?
See, but it's strong.
Is it time?
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Oh my God. Go far. Go far. Oh! Oh!
What?
Happy New Year! Good. Dad! Not in front of us. Ayun. Happy New Year, guys! God bless us all. One more.
Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, kids!
See how it's still on?
Is it done?
No?
Done?
See how it's hot? Don't worry, don't worry. Huh?
See? May mga nagpapaputikot din. Oh.
Italia?
Work, work, work.
Try one.
Work.
I want to try one.
Hanggang ngayon may trabaho. Nagtatrabaho ang dad. While celebrating.
No.
Look down. So,
Guys, still we have to celebrate more.
okay, go.
Daddy,
Let's go.
Hold this.
another
And don't
Give me that. Give me your phone.
That this and another side is a big place.
Come with me. Come on,
Come,
come.
come. Be careful.
Yeah.
Go.
Give me this.
No, something. No, get this. Get this light, Dad. No, be careful. Be careful. Don't keep walking without light.
Here, you want here?
Yeah.
This is better, you think?
Yeah.
No, look down maybe.
Oh.
Take care, Tali. Don't keep this. Shall I hold this with for one here?
Okay. But Dad, that face that place, okay? Yeah.
Dad, that's all.
Now hold this.
Wow, another stars.
Be careful. Be careful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wala. Experience. Ay! Ay!
See, Mommy, Mommy, see?
Wala. Ano ba yan?
What's that?
Ay! Yun. Pumutok. Pumutok din. Malakas pala kahit na maliit lang. Dad, don't put it near to us.
Dad, I want to try this together.
No, just hold it.
Hold it from down on.
Yan. Diyan sila excited. They will hold. Oh my God. Dad, far from their faces. Oh my God. Ay! Oh. Ah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hanggang 8 lang. That's all.
8 only?
Yeah. Let's finish this. Okay guys, that's all. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. God bless us all.
Give me my phone, Mom.
Here. And that is still working.